Renting from a professional property management company comes with great advantages. You can pay your rent online and get your on-time payments reported to the credit bureau. And with 24-hour emergency repair services, you can live worry-free in a well-looked-after, professionally managed home. Check out this available property and make it yours today.
160 State Street and 124 North Haven, Connecticut. This is an amazing one-bedroom property. Upon entry, a bright and sunny open floor plan seamlessly integrates the kitchen, dining, and living areas. The kitchen boasts beautiful maple cabinetry, granite countertops, and major appliances. The living room has oodles of space for plenty of seating options, and the bedroom comes with large windows that stream in tons of natural light. The bathroom is equipped with a mirrored vanity with storage underneath and a shower tub combo. A washer and dryer are also included for your convenience. The property is within close proximity to new North Haven Yale medical facilities, HealthTrax, and a myriad of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. You just have to see this fantastic property yourself.
Give us a call now and book a showing. Our number and website is in the description below.